In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize calendar in Notion. We'll walk through this using a specific example month so you can clearly see how the different views behave as you adjust and explore your calendar layout. You can follow along in your own Notion calendar, even if you're looking at a different month or year. Start by opening Notion Calendar in your browser and making sure you're in the month view. In this example, we're looking at February, but the exact month doesn't matter. What's important is that you're seeing the full grid of days laid out for the month. This is where you typically get the big picture overview of your schedule. Next, look toward the top of the screen, where you'll see options for different views, such as day, week, and month. Go ahead and switch from month over to day. When you click day, the calendar will zoom in so you're only looking at a single day's timeline. This is useful when you want a more detailed, hour-by-hour look at your schedule. You might notice that switching to day effectively resizes your calendar from a broad overview into a narrow, focused column. From here, click on day again at the top to make sure you're locked into that daily timeline view. Take a moment to scroll up and down and notice how much more vertical space each event now takes compared to the month view. Now move over to the week option and click that. The week view is a nice middle ground between the big month grid and the very focused day view. You'll see several days displayed across the top, with time slots running down the side. This layout gives you a good sense of how your days line up next to each other. Within this week view, click on the current month label, such as February, near the top of the calendar. This usually opens or emphasizes the navigation area so you can more easily jump between weeks. Here, you can click on the highlighted areas that represent different weeks or specific dates. As you click on these highlighted areas, watch how the calendar adjusts to keep that part of the week centered and easy to see. You're effectively telling Notion Calendar what portion of your time you want to focus on, and the interface resizes and recenters accordingly. Continue clicking on the highlighted areas within the week view to see how the layout responds. Each click subtly shifts what's in focus without changing the overall weekly structure. It's a good way to fine-tune your view without switching modes entirely. When you're ready to zoom back out, click on day again to narrow your focus, then switch back to month. This takes you back to the full monthly grid, where each day is more compact and you can see many events at once. If you click month again at the top, you'll reinforce that you're in the broadest calendar view. From here, try clicking on different highlighted days or weeks in the month view. Each highlight represents an area with events or focus. As you click these, Notion Calendar subtly shifts how much detail you see and which part of the month gets emphasized. It's a simple, visual way to resize your perspective on your schedule without changing any of your actual data. By moving between day, week, and month, and by clicking on the highlighted areas in each view, you're effectively resizing how much of your calendar you see at once. Use day when you need detail, week when you want balance, and month when you need the big picture.